Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today on windy Arbour, one of Kenilworth's most desirable roads, where we have this absolutely stunning and immaculate 5-bedroom detached home. Newly built in 2023, still got plenty of warranty left. It really is stunning. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the absolutely delightful rear garden of this amazing home. The kitchen, dining, living space really is very special. It's got a fully fitted Tom Howley kitchen. This is one of the finest properties I've had the pleasure of selling in Kenilworth. If you'd like more information, please do contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.